Welcome to Owl's The Rhyme Bible Storybook Read Aloud series. This story is adapted from the book of Esther. Esther Saves the Day. Once there was a king who had almost everything, but he still wasn't happy, for he didn't have a queen. The wise men suggested that he issue this command: let a search be made in every corner of the land. Now, Esther was an orphan who lived with Mordecai. The king's men saw her as they were riding by. They took her to the palace and brought her to the king. The king was very pleased with her and chose her as his queen. Mordecai would often sit beside the palace gate. He saw a man named Haman who was riding proud and straight. When Haman looked at Mordecai, his heart was filled with hate, for Mordecai would never bow as Haman passed the gate. Haman was so angry that he went and got permission to kill God's special people, the Jewish population. The rule went out across the land to people everywhere. When Mordecai heard of it, it filled him with despair. He told Queen Esther, "You must go and kneel before the king. Perhaps you can persuade him to stop this awful thing." So Esther fixed a banquet as soon as she was able. She asked the king and Haman to join her at the table. The king was very happy with the dinner she had made. "Please tell me what you want," he said. "You needn't be afraid." Esther cried, "Please spare my life and save my people too. This wicked man has made a plan to murder every Jew." The king jumped up and hollered, "Haman, is this true? Then you will die, and Mordecai will rule instead of you." The people made a holiday to celebrate the way that Esther saved her people's lives on that important day. The end. Thank you for watching. This is Esther Saves the Day from the Rhyme Bible Storybook.